Hello my YouTube family, welcome back to the Natural Jamaican Kitchen. Today we will be making a quick and short video because I decided to share what I made for breakfast. Fried green plantain it is. Fried green plantain is also known as Tostones in Spanish and Latin culture. You're gonna love this one. So green plantains are more starchy and they're not as sweet like the ripe yellow ones. Now after you cut up the plantain, you can add the salt before you fry it or you can add it after, your choice. Now these plantains will be fried twice to soften them, just enough to smash them. So you just want to fry them until they turn a light golden color. Now the next step is the fun part, and you don't need no special tools to do this. You can just use a cup, a jar or whatever. As you can see, I'm using a jar, and you just use it to flatten the plantain. Plantain is a good option if you don't want to eat bread for breakfast. Now after you flatten the plantains, we're gonna prepare it for its second fry. So we're going to put it back into the oil to get crispy. Now once the plantains are golden brown, you can just remove them from the oil and drain them on some paper towel and serve them with your favorite breakfast meal. You can serve it with some eggs, you can serve it with ackee and saltfish, or without, like I am doing today. I decided to serve it just with some ackee. And there you have it, my breakfast for this morning. Please let me know how you like to prepare your green plantain. I think it's a great breakfast. And as usual, here's a clip from my beautiful island of Jamaica, and of course this is the grill. Wow, what a view. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.